Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to evenly space objects here in Showit. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your project. Down here, for example, this page right here. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't look right. So for example, we have the Let's Connect section right here, and it should be right here in the right side of the page. Okay, so basically just hold Control on your keyboard or Command if you're using macOS. Okay, click on the object or element that you wanted to be aligned to each other. Okay, for example, these things right here. Okay, just click until you have all of the objects. Now once done, as you can see here in the right panel, we have these options: align to canvas, align to selection, or even match size. Okay, so basically we're going to need align to selection, and we're going to choose right or align right. Just click on it, and as you can see, not everything is selected, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold and drag until it selects all and align right. Okay, now all you have to do is just move it to fit it to the screen, just like so. That is it. Now we have these text right here. Maybe we'd like to align it like so and move it if you want to as well. Now, if you want to make some alignments between these spaces, I have this one trick that might help you out. Okay, maybe create or add in a new element. Right here we have a rectangle. Okay, make a small line, or maybe this big of a space. Move it right here. Okay, for example, this one. It's enough. Okay, this one enough, and this one right here is not. So basically, we're going to move it. Or maybe from the top, move, use our spacer right here, now move it back. All right, now delete the rectangle. Now once done, it is now all aligned. Okay, that is it. You just move this one however you want to, maybe like this, and use the rectangle tool, I would say, to align these elements right here. All right. That is it. That is how you evenly space objects here in Showit. Maybe I would select all, align to center, horizontally, as you can see. And don't worry if you make a mistake, just Control Z, press Control Z, like so. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.